Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. So today's topic is customer service, problem and troubleshooter. So customer service. So we are in the industry to serve the customers. Like we are here to provide the customer service and to make the relationship, making a personal relation with the customers. So yes, the customer relation with customer service, it's the most important thing. When we are perfect in customer service, so we can build a very good business to the company. So yes, so basically this topic is moreover for the customer problem. So it's, if the customer comes with a problem, or he just come up with a like defective piece or something, like whatever he just want to exchange, or he just having a problem with some issues. So it's depend on come up with the two things, like the first is like valid reason and the another one is a invalid reason. So let's talk about the valid reason first. The valid reason is like it's can be a defective product, or it's a manufacturing fault. So in that case, we have to listen carefully to the customer and give them a appropriate solution according to the problem. But if we can't do that, so we just give them a time, or we just apologize for the whatever happened with the customer. So on give them a exit time to when he get the cure or solution regarding their problem. So another thing is invalid reason. Invalid reason is also important, like they are come up with a, like sometimes fake. So we should listen that problems also, and we should give them a time and just make sure that they will not come back again, and this will not happen again. Like sometimes customer come with the problem, we give them a solution like exchange or some free voucher or free gifts or something like a credit notes. But if customer come up with the again and again with the same problem and he asking for the favor from company side, so that's not the important thing to the, and in that case we have to be more focused on the problem. We should listen clearly and carefully about the problem, and we can give them a solution, and we can follow up regarding the same problem. This will not happen again. So we and doing this kind of activity or doing this kind of follow up on that problems, we can make our customer retain, like he can come back again for the more shopping in our brand. Or if we are fail to give them a refund or credit note or something, like we can't say anything to the customer. So the most important thing, we should tell them in a positive way, that they can easily feel that we are not saying no to him. So that's most important thing. We are in the industry, we can't say no to the customer. So yes, so rather than saying no, the most important thing, we can give them an option, or we can just send them to our senior authority. We can just tell them that our senior person will handle him. So that's give them a positive impact in their mind, that if I am not saying the my senior can do something, so yes, this can the things that we can handle the customer in a, from like if the customer is very angry or some kind of problem or trouble, so we can give the solution with a saying this kind of thing. And rather than saying no, we just tell them in a different way, like we can tell them that this will not happen again, and we have a better solution for them. Yes, these are the things we can do while customer come up with a problem. Thank you.